Tyama is a multi-sensory experience of nature here at Melbourne Museum. We've attempted to take a First Peoples narrative and use all the latest and greatest technological tools to offer a kind of an immersive experience here to tell the story of Tyama through these different types of technologies. As we come through the cocoon, we enter into the sky country, which is the moth night sky, where we have a stitched 2-camera blob tracking, 8 projectors onto an angled roof. As you're coming out of sky country there, we enter into the bat cave. So we have 4 different projectors placed in different environments. What we're trying to do is illustrate echolocation. So we have a clap sensor that triggers the beams of echolocation onto the ground. In the shallows, which is our trickiest kind of like projection environment in there, we have 5 projectors on a cylinder in the center, and then we have our walls and our floor, and we're fully immersed. A lot of work went on to kind of keep the projectors hidden away so you don't really see them, but at the same time have them all cross over each other without a shadow in sight.
We were thrilled that Panasonic's award-winning MZ-series of projector was selected for the Tyama exhibit here, namely the PT MZ-10K and PT MZ-13K models. They're liquid-cooled laser engines, which means that they run very quietly at only 35 dB per unit. They can be mounted in any orientation within 360 degrees, which is ideal in a museum environment.
We commonly use Panasonic in environments where there's heavy use and we need solid reliability, such as an exhibition space, which is on all day, every day, and can't have any downtime during that period. There's 46 projectors that are all mounted very close to each other, and we needed the flexibility to be able to switch between different types of lenses so that they didn't cross paths. There's audio, there's truss, there's lots of other equipment that we need to avoid, and having the flexibility of interchangeable lenses just remove that as a roadblock.
There are a number of different short throw lenses used in the exhibit, ranging from 0.55 to 1 up to 2.1 to 1 ratio.
In the whale room, we installed 14 projectors. They were all blended in a vertical position, which allowed us to create an 8-metre high image across both walls.
When you put like 14 projectors into a room, the last thing you want is people walking into the room and looking at the projectors. And I get this great payoff when I see wonder on visitors' faces. That to me is a success. If you can get that technology layer to disappear when it is actually everywhere, that is winning in my book. It's a large infrastructure investment in Panasonic projectors that we've made here, but I'm very convinced that it will set us up for the future of exhibits that we'll be doing here at Melbourne Museum.